The X Series, designed to elevate the entire home with modern quiet ceilings, offers small aperture lighting for every room in the house. Collars provide a mounting surface for the trim and module and must be used during module installation. The Remodel Collar is flanged and designed for drywall use only. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. Align the provided template sticker with the center fixture position. Using the template sticker, cut a 3¼ inch or 83mm square opening in the ceiling. Move any insulation at least 6 inches away from the opening, as X Series is a non-IC rated fixture. Push the Remodel Collar into the opening until it is secure and flush with the ceiling. Screw in the 2 factory installed screws to engage the swing arms and sandwich the drywall until it is fully secure. Remove the cap cover from the module using a flathead screwdriver and set the cap aside. Connect the quick connect wires from the remodel cover to the module. When aligning the Remodel Collar, ensure that the orientation of the tab matches that of the opening on the module for a correct fit. Align and connect the remodel cover onto the module and secure it by tightening the factory installed screw. Replace the cap cover from the module onto the housing cover. For the adjustable module, follow the same exact procedure. Remove desired knockout and open the housing cover. Route the electrical wires through the cover. Replace the cover when done, and place the housing into the ceiling. Align the trim onto the module and turn clockwise until secure. Place the module into the ceiling opening and press the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. Push the module up until the retaining tabs click and engage with the collar. Using the built-in lever and slider, the adjustable module can be rotated and tilted to direct the light. Push on the slider to tilt. To rotate, hold the lever and rotate the module. Once the desired module position is achieved, lock the gray rotation lever to secure the module position. Align the clips on the trim with the corresponding openings in the collar. Push the trim into the collar until it is secure.